Assalamu alaikum to one and all. Today we will discuss all the definitions of acids and bases. सबसे पहले अगर हम टेस्ट के हिसाब से देखेंगे, जिस सब्सटेंस का टेस्ट खट्टा होता है उसमें एसिड होता है, और जिस सब्सटेंस का टेस्ट बिटर यानी कड़वा होता है उसमें बेस होता है. क्लासिकल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एसिड्स एंड बेसिस. Acid, a substance whose aqueous solution possesses following characteristic properties: sour taste, turns blue litmus red. Acid turns blue litmus paper to red. Reacts with active metals like zinc, magnesium, etc. to release hydrogen gas. Conducts electricity, whose acidic properties disappear on reacting with a base. When an acid reacts with a base, its acidic properties disappear. Base. It is a substance whose aqueous solution possesses following characteristic properties. Base has a bitter taste. It turns red litmus to blue. It has a soapy or slippery touch. It conducts electricity. Both acids and bases have a common property that they conduct electricity, whose basic properties disappear on reacting with an acid. When a base reacts with an acid, its all basic properties disappear. Arrhenius concept of acids and bases. According to Arrhenius concept, an acid is a substance which gives H positive ions when dissolved in water. Acid is that substance which gives H positive ions when it is dissolved in water. For example, HCl, hydrochloric acid, when dissolved in water gives H positive ions and Cl negative ions. These H positive ions, they will react with water to form H3O, hydronium ions. Remember, H positive ions in water form hydronium ions. Similarly, acetic acid gives CH3COO, state ion, and H positive ion. Remember that HCl is a strong acid which dissociates completely, and acetic acid is a weak acid which dissociates to smaller extent. According to Arrhenius concept, a base is a substance which gives OH negative ions when dissolved in water. For example, sodium hydroxide, when dissolved in water, dissociates into Na positive sodium ions and OH negative ions. Similarly, ammonium hydroxide, when dissolved in water, forms ammonium ions and OH negative ions. Remember, my dear students, that sodium hydroxide is a strong base which dissociates completely, and ammonium hydroxide is a weak base which dissociates to smaller extent. Neutralization reaction. It is the reaction between an acid and a base to form salt and water. For example, base NaOH, sodium hydroxide, reacts with acid HCl, hydrochloric acid, to form NaCl, sodium chloride, which is a salt, and H2O, water. The reaction between an acid and a base is called a neutralization reaction. Next हमारे पास Bronsted-Lowry concept है. According to this concept, an acid is a substance that can donate a proton, and a base is a substance that can accept a proton. For example, NH3, ammonia, is a base and HCl is an acid. Let us see what happens in this reaction. Ammonia is a base which accepts a proton from HCl, which is an acid, to form ammonium chloride. Let us see some more examples. Ammonia, which is a base, it reacts with water. Ammonia takes a proton from water to form NH4 positive ammonium ion and leaving behind OH negative ion. In this reaction, water reacts with a base, hence water acts as an acid. Similarly, consider this reaction. In this reaction, water takes a proton from HCl to form hydronium ion, H3O ion, and Cl negative chloride ion. In this reaction, water takes the proton from HCl. Hence, in this reaction, water acts as a base because HCl is an acid. In these two reactions, we see that water has amphoteric character. It can act as an acid as well as a base. Hence, water is amphoteric, and we know that water is a neutral substance. Next concept है conjugate acid base pair. A pair of substances which could be formed from each other by transfer of a proton are known as conjugate acid base pairs. For example, HCl is an acid which decomposes to form H positive ion and Cl negative ion. When HCl gives H positive ion, when it gives a proton, then Cl negative ion is its conjugate base. Similarly, acetic acid gives H positive ion and CH3COO negative acetate ion. Acetate ion is the conjugate base for acetic acid. Remember, my dear students, HCl is a strong acid. It has a weak base. A strong acid has a weak conjugate base. Similarly, acetic acid, it is a weak acid and it has a strong conjugate base. A strong acid has a weak conjugate base and a weak acid has a strong conjugate base and vice versa. Last पर हम Lewis concept पढ़ेंगे. According to this concept, an acid is a substance that can accept a pair of non-bonding electrons. For example, BF3, boron trifluoride, H positive ion, aluminum trichloride. These are all Lewis acids because they have deficiency of electrons. According to a Lewis concept, a base is a substance that can donate a pair of electrons. For example, ammonia, which has got a non-bonding pair, a lone pair of electrons. Water, it has two non-bonding pairs of electrons. NH3 reacts with BF3. Since BF3 is electron deficient, it has only 6 electrons in its valence shell, incomplete octet. And nitrogen has a lone pair in ammonia. Nitrogen donates its lone pair to BF3 to form a coordinate bond and a complex. Please take screenshots, make notes and revise the concepts. I wish you all the best.